Danny British.
Yeah.
The
Brits.
Me high as a
Danny
bumbo clock.
Yeah.
Cock that motherfucker back, kid.
Red one.
Everybody asks, who is it? Everybody wanna know, who is me? Everybody ask, who is it? Yeah, who is me?
Yeah, man.
Danny British, driving artist, couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me, clocks on feet like a London street. You know see, 400 pound OG, ship it from the west. Delivered.
Everyone, we are on the road, little family trip,
Outside.
outside, getting gas as always.
Cost $75, it's too much.
How you feeling, Daddy?
Still a go.
Gonna go to the lake?
Pretty in nature.
Enjoy. Miss Margin Boo is sleeping in the back. $81. Oh no, it's not even done yet. It's what it takes for this beast. Quick outfit.
85, 78.
Pop on the windshield.
Like summer outside. Clear, what you mean? Outside right now.
Outside.
My outside. Colorful. Yeah. Colorful. Yeah, show yourself, Bobs. Bobs, I show yourself. Bobs outside. Colorful. Oh. That's right.
Skin showing, sun, energy.
Hipster. Yeah, I'm a girl over here so asleep. She outside too. That me I tell you. It's a family affair. The whole Britishes are here. Yeah. The girl asleep. What you mean? Sleep in style. What you mean? Girl asleep in style. Let the door close itself. Talk no man. Yeah, them now learn. Which one of them things that them can out earn the British? Them to learn.
Bright and sunny. Taking the quick draw.
Yeah. Cause you can't draw with your girl in the car.
Nope.
Draw outside. On a hot sunny day like this, you gotta go coconut water. Get the coconut water add. Yeah, Vita.
Clean your heart.
Clean your heart. Coconut water clean like my heart. My heart clean already. Enough people out there bad mind me and hate me, you know. Yeah, I mean I do no wrong. Me not do no wrong. No, sir. We don't do no wrong. Can go buy a dead one. Yeah. Coconut water up. And you don't do. Fly to the moon. You won't see me soon. Yeah. My girl up. Look for the back seat. If I sit you put round the back there, so oh no. I feel seat still. Yeah, man. You don't know if I look for you like you don't know somebody go there go beat up in blood clot. But anyway, yeah, I think he got tags, you know, cause enough people in the hospital right now they can't do what we are do. Can't do what you are do. You see what I'm saying? You got tags, yeah, man. Papa look behind, man. Papa look behind. I tell you about take life a day at a time, man, cause you don't know you're going on life, you see me? Some people don't think them reach or them for reach. But you reach there one day, just keep on doing what you're doing, you see what I'm saying? You don't make nothing distract you in life, cause you know what I mean? What if a distraction in this world, yeah? You break your focus from achieving your goals. You set up for where you achieve other people's goals, you know? Yeah. All the human who are there with, you know, them one program if you achieve for them goals. Everybody. Mother want a program if you achieve for her goals. Father want a program if you achieve for him goals. Cousin want a program if you achieve for him goals. You get what I say? Everybody around you, but nobody around you know want program you to achieve your goals other than the motivational speakers. See me? Because them know what it is like and them go through it now. So if you just give thanks to life, yeah, always. See me? Appreciate what you have and what you can do for yourself and others. You get what I'm saying? Because it's all about you at the end of the day. And you one are going at the mother loving casket. And not one, nor three, nor four, nor the gang. You one. And the next day, everybody say, Lord in gone, and move on, because bills have to be paid. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, bills have to pay, the world not stop. Ain't nobody has slow down. From me see the queen dead, the world not stop. And like they say, everybody have to take a break, the queen dead. No, world continues the same way. People mourning, but you still keep going, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. They probably sneak. We don't know.
Ready?
Ready?
Daddy, your butt out the door, man. You like it? Yeah.
That goes so bird like. That goes so bird like. Yeah, that you know. What you know? Relax. Outside with la familia. Enjoy the sun, you know. Mesh Marine and yeah. Trade.
Brits, yeah. That's the park, yeah. No Hollywood, yeah. We no fucking up, no. You love to send chop chop. We will send gunshot. Truck pull up, windows down, flinging shots. See you do a walk up, yeah. On the ops, pretend him a look weak to trap. As the boy turn round, him get 2 shots. Point blank range in him head top. Man a aim straight, no parties, no shit. Who the fuck you think you're talking?
Lock. Apple juice.
Yeah, you eat this, you transfer it to Mexican, like straight transfer. Hello, papi. Yeah.
Sweet and mild, any way you choose, you're gonna like tonight. Top notch quality, anything will follow me. Can I be your liquor and you be my eyes? Do you like, think you like Belvedere? And any way you want it, you can have it, baby. You can have it straight. I know you like it smooth. Get ready with it.
Walking at the park, baby. You look so pretty. Cheese. Cheese. Oh, is there another little baby?
Careful.
Flowers, baby. Get it! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Yeah! You got grass. Get it!
Really sad.